Cook with Pretty Olayemi. How to make cabbage salad recipe. How to make Coleslaw recipe. Coleslaw is a salad of a finely sliced or chopped raw cabbage, usually moisturized with mayonnaise dressing. Let me introduce you to my ingredients. I have cabbage and carrots. Start our salad recipe. First of all, I'm going to put these carrots in a separate bowl. Then I'll start dicing my cabbage. If you are new to Pretty Olayemi Cooking channel, consider subscribing. Remember to click the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload new video. For those of you that have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Let's hang out in the comment section. I will always answer your questions there. Let's start dicing our cabbage. You can dice your cabbage into smaller size, whichever size you want it, but I really like mine a little bit big. I like slicing my or chopping mine big, so once I put it in my mouth, it's going to take me longer time to finish eating it, so that's why I like dicing it really big. At this time of summer, this coleslaw recipe will be perfect for any barbecue, especially when you finish making it, you put it in the fridge. Oh my god, it will be so yummy. I finished dicing my cabbage. It's time for me to start dicing my baby carrots. I'm going to chop it into a smaller pieces. You can as well use a food processor to dice the cabbage and the carrots as you wish, but I feel like doing this. Now we finished dicing it, I'm going to mix everything together so the carrot and the cabbage is going to mix properly. Remember to give this video a like and remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload new video. Let's start mixing our cream. This is our cabbage and carrots after dressing it, but I'm going to show you the process of creaming it or dressing the cabbage. Let's start by bringing out our plates. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise into this plate. Then I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of sugar to mix the mayonnaise. I'm going to mix it properly until the sugar is properly mixed. So now I'm adding my half spoon of sugar. Then I'm going to mix it. Yes, now I'm mixing it. I'll mix it properly. Then I'm going to add it into my diced carrots and cabbage. Then we'll start dressing it. Oh my, just waiting. Now I'll start mixing it. That is all for the dressing. I didn't use so many spice or other things to mix it, just to make it feel moisturized. After I do this, you can as well eat it like this, or you can decide to put it in the fridge to get it a little bit cold before you eat it. Now I'm going to put it into a bowl. We are done dressing the salad, so we are going to put it in the bowl before putting it in the fridge. You can as well eat it like this, as I said earlier. So this salad recipe is for just 1 person serve, so this one is for me. This one is made for Olayemi, not for the family this time around, so I'm just preparing this for myself. So you can as well use this to eat any food. It's just a side dish. You can use it to eat any food. Actually, I like using it to eat a fried rice or jollof rice. I'll put the link in the description below for you to know how I prepare jollof rice and fried rice. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Let's put it in the fridge. You can as well eat this without dressing it or creaming it. This is how it looks after bringing it out from the fridge. It's very cold. Thanks for watching my video. Let's hang out in the chat. I will always answer your question. And remember to subscribe. I guess I will see you all in my next video.